Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica 35th Anniversary Edition. This is based off of the L trim, and it is really nice in here. Oh yeah, we shut those off, that's right. Because this one was in our back showroom, so we don't want to kill the battery all the time. Flat storage area. Oh, it's getting windy. That's better. See, super flat floor in here. Nice little compartment. Here's your headphones to go with the screen up there. Really nice leather. Nice sunshade that's blocking my view of the sticker. 42,350. 40,235. That's it. Rotary shifter, push down for low. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. I really like the Pacifica. I always kind of have. Everything's just extremely luxurious. This is a huge step up from the old Town and Country. Frankly honest, it was just kind of I mean, it was nice, but it wasn't nearly as nice as this. And this isn't even close to the fully loaded model. Power is unbelievable in this thing. Good amount of torque, good amount of power from this Pentastar V6. Steering wheel is not totally different. Some of the buttons are pretty similar, but it's not just complete parts bin. It's really nice. Nice Chrysler airbag cover. Very nice wheel. Brakes feel great. That is impressive. Well, it's lunchtime. Traffic died down. These seats are super comfortable. You have a nice armrest here. Because the center console is pretty set down compared to what you normally have. So you have these nice armrests. What's nice though is you can put like a big plank if you're transporting stuff. Steering is really nice, not too light, not too heavy. Good amount of feedback. Handling's pretty good, not a ton of body roll. Brake pedal feel is pretty good, not overly sensitive. I do like the driving position in this too. It's definitely the best minivan driving position I can imagine. The dash is set down pretty low, so you can see right to the nose of the vehicle, which is absolutely awesome. Visibility is phenomenal. There wasn't an instance where I couldn't see out of it. Suspension is very comfortable. Not bad whatsoever. I'm a huge fan of this thing. Actually, the person who's grabbing the keys and stuff today, he's a big fan of it too. So. Duncan's is busy. This is a really, really nice driving vehicle. Super luxurious. Definitely my favorite minivan I've ever driven. Now, if Dodge, if you're listening, you could put the Hellcat motor in this. Make the Grand Televan. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.